In this video, we're going to dive into the new Scheduled Tasks feature in ChatGPT. You can now set up reminders, manage tasks, and get notifications directly within ChatGPT. Let's get into it. ChatGPT has just rolled out an exciting new feature called Tasks, which lets you schedule reminders and set up daily tasks or updates at specific times, all directly within the ChatGPT chat interface. To activate this feature, simply go to your ChatGPT account, click on the drop-down menu, and select the option called GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. This is currently available to Plus, Pro, and Teams plans, and though it's in beta, it's expected to be rolled out to more users soon. Once you've activated it, setting up a task is really simple. For instance, let's say you want to get news updates every morning at top 12 a.m. Just type that into the chat, and ChatGPT will confirm that it's scheduled and ready to notify you at the specified time. You'll then receive your reminders directly in the way you prefer. When it comes to notifications, ChatGPT gives you several options. First, you can enable desktop notifications, so a pop-up will appear right on your screen. Alternatively, you can use the ChatGPT mobile app to receive reminders or even get them via email if you prefer that method. Managing your tasks is also straightforward. Simply click on your profile picture, and you'll see all your scheduled tasks listed in one place. From here, you can edit, pause, or delete any reminders you've set. You can also customize tasks to fit your needs. For example, if you want to change the daily news reminder to focus only on AI news, you can easily adjust the task. Plus, you can modify how often the reminders occur, whether it's daily, weekly, or for custom dates that you choose. At first glance, this feature may seem like just a basic to-do list app with reminders, but there's a lot of potential here. It's a great starting point, and I'm excited to see how it will evolve, especially as ChatGPT could eventually search the web for information and provide you with personalized updates on topics you care about. So, that's your quick guide to using ChatGPT's Scheduled Tasks feature. It's a fantastic tool for staying organized and ensuring you never miss an important reminder. I think this is just the beginning, and I look forward to seeing how it develops. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ChatGPT tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.